Hi everyone, welcome back to the build. In this video we're going to start applying some stretch carpet to the sliding door here. So we've got a barley coloured carpet, which is like a beigey kind of colour, so it goes with our wood within the van. We're then going to go on to doing the ceiling, so we need to reapply the sound deadening and the insulation, put some bubble foil over the top before we start cladding it and putting in the lights. Okay, so here's the carpet. I haven't opened it yet, so let's see what it looks like. We bought this on eBay. We got 4 meters by 2 meters, and it also came with 2 spray glues, so that's good. For the door, we're just going to use 1 piece of carpet to start with to cover the whole door, and then cut out the window afterwards. To go around the corners here, we'll just have to put some snips in and fold them over. If we're not happy with that afterwards, I'll just cut like 1 big long strip to go around the window frame, and yeah, we'll just see how it turns out. Now that we've cut that out, we've got just 1 big piece. I'm going to start from one side and line it up, and then cut the angles in that as we go. So I'm going to spray the glue on, and then it needs to become tacky before we put the carpet on top. We're not going to make the same mistake as last time with the bubble foil. We put it actually underneath the sill, so we started getting a leak. So we're going to make sure the carpet is just below the sill. We're just going to do it bit by bit, so lift it up, spray the glue and put it down, and just work our way down the door.
God, we're doing this on a Saturday and it is warm in here. So what is it? So we're obviously down south and the temperature is, it says it's 28 at the moment and it's going to go up to 31. Well, it's 29 now. And yeah, in this van, obviously it being all insulated, we've got that window open, we've got the back doors open, but it is warm. I'm sweating.
Right, so now I just need to cut around the door handle before we go any further.
So yeah, we're lining the door with the carpet, above the door, inside the cupboards there, and inside the cupboards along here. Also above the door there, but we still need to insulate inside each of these little holes first.
Okay, so cut around the door handle. Now I'm going to just glue it down. So we've glued the most of the carpet on. We just need to cut around the windowsill now. So I'm just gonna cut out the middle and then slowly work my way back to make sure it fits nicely. So there's a big hole cut out for the window. So now I just need to tidy it up and actually cut it properly so it fits. So from where I've had to cut it going round a bend so that it actually folds over, I've got gaps missing, so I've just cut out a patch to put underneath, and then this will just sit on top, and maybe we'll cut along here, get rid of that. Not quite decided yet.
Yeah, I think get rid of it.
Yeah. Okay, so it's looking good. It does actually look pretty neat. We've only just got, you know, those bits that we cut out, but there's not really much we could have done with those. So overall it looks good. All that we've got left to do is trim along the bottom, make sure the seal's not overlapping, and then that's the door done.
Alright, now it's all trimmed up. Decent. If you were to look really close, you know, it's not the best job you'll ever see in the world, but you know, it's decent enough.
Pretty good.
Happy days. And that's the sound deadening sheets and insulation back on the roof. And now, just as a second layer of insulation, we're going to use the bubble foil. So that's going on now.
We're just using this extra strong double-sided Scotch tape on the ceiling to put the bubble foil up. Which will be fine because it's going underneath the cladding, so we don't need to staple it to the roof or anything. That stuff should hold it really well.
Which, yeah, it's just got a layer on top that you just simply peel off. So it's a little bit baggy in spots. That's fine, obviously the cladding's going to hold it all in. Just need to trim around some of the edges, and we forgot about the fan, didn't we? So I think we just completely cut that bit off and just cut, you know, a couple of squares and place them around the fan. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is to put some wooden battens along the back and the front, so we can like run the cladding too. But I think first we're gonna put some carpet in the cupboards and at that top of the door there. Alright, now we're going to get this cupboard done. A little bit of foil insulation in there first. Right, it looks good. You can't really see on camera, but now we're going to do the same to the cupboards.
Okay, so that's the carpeting done. Next time we'll be finishing off the ceiling. Make sure you give this video a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on the next one. Bye! We're just using this extra strong double-sided Scotch tape.
And again?
Okay. Oh god. We're just using this extra strong I can't.
Come on, Tash. I'm gonna have to do an outtakes at the end of this video.
Wait.
Come on, Tash.
Extra strong double-sided Scotch tape. We're just using this.
Alright, I'll shut up.
Okay.